Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let us solve sum on probability. Question is, in a batch of 40 electric bulbs, 6 bulbs are defective, out of which 2 bulbs are selected at random and fitted in the socket. Find the probability that both bulbs will glow. Now total number of bulbs are 40, out of which 6 are defective. Okay, now total number in sample space, that is ns, is equal to total number of bulbs are 40 and we are selecting 2 bulbs. Total number of bulbs are 40 and we are selecting 2 bulbs. Therefore ns is equal to 40c2 is equal to, now ncr is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Therefore, this is equal to 40 factorial divided by 40 minus 2, that is 38 factorial into 2 factorial. Now, this 40 factorial can be written like this: 38 factorial into 39 into 40 divided by 38 factorial into 2 factorial is 2 into 1. Now this will get cancelled, right? And 20. Therefore this is equal to 39 into 20. Now probability we have to find that both bulb will glow. Now when we select bulbs which are in good condition, then only there will be light, right? Means 40 total number of bulbs, 6 bulbs are defective is equal to 34 bulbs are in good condition. When we select these good condition bulbs, then only there will be light in the room, right? Now let A be the event that A be the event that bulbs selected are good, that is not defective, and not defective goods bulbs are 34. Therefore NA is equal to, out of 34 good bulbs we are selecting 2, then only there will be light in the room. Okay, out of 34 we are selecting 2, therefore 34C2 is equal to, now 34C2 is 34 factorial divided by 34 minus 2, that is 32 factorial into 2 factorial is equal to, now this 34 factorial can be written 32 factorial into 33 into 34. 34 factorial is 32 factorial into 33 into 34 divided by 32 factorial into 2 factorial is 2 into 1. This will get cancelled, right? What will remain? 33 into 34 divided by 2. यहाँ पे डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये 17 होगा, राइट? 33 into 17. Now probability of A is equal to NA upon NS is equal to Na is 33 into 17 divided by NS is 39 into 20. 3 से यहाँ पे डिवाइड करेंगे, then this will be 11 into 17 divided by 13 into 20 is equal to, then this will be 187 divided by 260. Therefore probability is 187 divided by 260. Let us solve another question. Question is, a class of 40 students contain 10 girls. A committee of 5 students is to be formed at random. Find the probability that there are exactly 2 girls in the committee. Now total number of students in the class are 40 and number of girls 10. Now committee of 5 students is to be formed. Therefore NS is equal to, out of 40 students we are selecting 5 student committee, therefore 40C5. Out of 40 students we are selecting 5, therefore 40C5 is equal to 40 factorial divided by 40 minus 5 factorial is 35 factorial into 5 factorial is equal to, now this 40 factorial can be written 35 factorial into 36 into 37 into 38 into 39 into 40 divided by 35 factorial, and this 5 factorial is 5 into 4 to 3 into 2 into 1. This will get cancelled, right? 35 cancelled, then 5, 4 and 2 is 40, therefore this will get cancelled, and this 3, 39. What will remain? 36 into 37 into 38 into 13 divided by, all will get cancelled, right? Only this will remain. This is NS. Now committee of 5 is formed and we want exactly 2 girls. Now exactly 2 girls means exactly 3 boys, right? Therefore let A be the event such that in committee of 5 exactly 2 girls will be there. Okay, now NA is equal to, total number of girls are 10. We are selecting 2 girls, therefore 10C2. Now committee of 5 of which 2 are girls means 3 boys. Now if number of girls are 10, then boys 40 minus 10, 30 boys number of boys are 30. Committee of 5 in which 2 girls, exactly 2 girls and 3 boys. Now 2 girls, therefore total number of girls are 10, 10C2, and total number of boys are 3, out of 3 are selected, therefore 30C3. Now if we simplify this, is equal to 10 factorial divided by 8 factorial into 2 factorial. NCR R is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial into 30C3, 30 factorial divided by 30 minus 3 is 27 factorial into 3 factorial. 10C2, 30C3 is equal to, now this 10 factorial is 8 factorial into 9 into 10 divided by 8 factorial into 2 into 30 factorial is 27 factorial into 28 into 29 into 30 divided by 27 factorial, and 3 factorial is 3 into 1. This will get cancelled, right? 2 5 ये cancel हो गया. 27 factorial 3 into 2 is 6 and 5. What will remain? 9 into 5 into 28 into 29 into 5, 9 into 5 into 28 into 29 into 5, right? This is NA. Therefore, probability of happening of A is equal to NA divided by NS is equal to, NA is 9 into 5 into 28 into 29 into 5 divided by NS is 36 into 37 into 38 into 13. NS is 36 into 37 into 38 into 13. Now if we simplify this, then this is equal to 5075 divided by 18278. यहाँ पे ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो यहाँ पे 9 एंड यहाँ 7. बाकी मल्टीप्लाई करने पे आंसर ये आएगा. If you like this, then please like, share and subscribe and comment. Thank you.